we're demonstrating how to buy shares of Fabege AB, a Swedish commercial real estate company trading on CBOE EU under the ticker FABG.ST. This video is educational only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker FABG.ST to find Fabege AB. Make sure you select the listing that shows CBOE EU to pick the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see a brief company description and a price chart with recent trading. Confirm the company name, market CBOE EU, and ticker FABG.ST to ensure it's the right asset. To invest, click Trade or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details including any fees. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next open. And if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After the order executes, the position appears in your portfolio so you can monitor it. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to follow these same steps.